And welcome back, my crafty friends. So I've been plugging along on the Paige Evans 12 by 12 paper pad, and I've been crafting off camera, and this is what I've been working on. So where to start? Let's start here. So I have, these are super simple. I have a tag punch, and all I did was punch tabs out of some of the scraps. So then these I can later use in different kinds of embellishments. And then this one, it actually has an eyelet setter in the punch. So I just made a few of those. Super simple, then I can add to do whatever later. And then over here, I just made a couple. I probably could have gone to town with these, but just embellishments that I could add on the page of a journal, like as a tuck spot or just as a fun embellishment. Yeah, so a couple of those. And then I made a bunch of tags. So I have the Tim Holtz tag die, and I just punched a bunch out of some scraps, and I just inked some of the edges, not all of them. And then I also have this, I think it's a We Are Memory Keepers tag punch, and so I have that, so it's a little tag within a tag. Just layered it up some with some of the stickers from the kit, not the kit, but from the, what's the word I'm looking for? From the Pick Me Up line, there we go. Similar thing here. This one I actually cut a heart out of, and so then I made a tag, and it sort of slides in to go behind. There we go. Struggling there. All right, there we go. So super simple. If I wanted to, I could always add later. This one I added an embellishment, and it says happiness is a way of life. And then I just simply did my thing with ripping and tearing and layering. This one had a hole, so I just made it look like it was part of the top. So yeah, so I just made a bunch of these. Come up a little closer. And then if it's a different color scheme in the journal, I mean, I could kind of tone it down somehow with different embellishments or what have you. This one's super simple. But yeah, so these are just really fun. So I have a bunch of tags. And then these, some of these I decorated, some I didn't. So 3x4 cards. These I don't think I decorated. I just have them cut. And then some I inked. So those could be tuck spots or added to journals. And then I think these are some of my favorite. I love, I'm gonna pull one out of my drawer. I love to take book pages and make these kind of envelopes. Ah, I'm getting hung up on my stuff. I might have made a video with this, I'm not sure, but you take the book page and then you make and you can sew around it, embellish it. So these are similar to that, but I made them look more like an envelope. So I made a bunch of these. And again, just added different embellishments to kind of make it not so, I mean, so it could have that kind of vintagey sort of vibe to it, kind of mixing the two. This one needs to be decorated. Same with that one. Look at, I found some that need to be decorated. And then these. Super easy. Let me show you really quick how I did it. So, using the one that has this will work. So using the cutoffs from my, oh, that's what I need to show you as well. From the Traveler's Notebooks, this is the cutoff from those. You just fold it up and then kind of fold it down, and then I'm going to, you could use your trimmer, but I'm just going to use scissors for this, and then you just trim it off, and then take your corner rounder and round the edges. Super simple, and I think it's super cute. If you don't like the rounded corners, you don't even have to round the corners. And then for these, I inked up the edges. But for now, I'll just tape here and here. And there you go. Now this is ready to be inked and some embellishments. You could even just put it like that or add fabric. It's just so cute and so fast. So there's those. I think those are my favorite. And then I made a couple little booklets. So I took more of the scraps, and then I poked 3 holes in this one, and just bound it like you would a journal, and then added some embellishments. Super cute. This one, yep, this one has scraps of paper too. And then this can just be tucked in. All right, so there's that. And then I made 2 envelope, no, these are bags. So these are Dollar Tree bags, and I folded up the bottom and glued the sides right here. So this could be sent in Happy Mail. I could add some more to it. It might need more if I was gonna send it in Happy Mail. But I decorated the front, and then it has things like tags and ephemera, paper clip, and then in the back part, it has journaling cards and more of the tags that I cut out. And then this could even be tucked in a journal. If I sell a journal in Etsy, I could do this as like an extra gift. Kind of fun. So I have this one and this one with more greens and blues, and then pinks over here. Added a paper clip over here. Kind of fun. I used to make a bunch of these, a little more elaborate than these, when Swap It was really big. The Facebook page before Lori Newmaker went on to do more Cricut stuff. She was doing swaps. Oh my gosh, I loved it. So fun. So we used to swap these bag flips all the time. So there's those. All right, and then let me show you my traveler's notebooks, how they ended up. Super simple. These are actually listed in my Etsy shop. And I used some plain paper, and then music sheets, more of the scrap paper, and then this is really fun. This is Braille, a Braille sheet, and I thought it would be kind of fun to see what it's like if you watercolor it because of the texture. And then I have some coloring pages in there, just really simple. So this would be really fun to take and use for the month, and then have a little journal for the month. Kind of fun. It would also be easy to toss in your purse and have just a notepad, you know, like writing notes, grocery lists. So I have this cover, and there's this one, same pages and all. There might be different scrap papers. And then there's this cover. I love this one with the windows from the buildings. So there's that one. So fun. So fun. I love it. And then the bows. I love the bows too. So yeah, super simple. So this would be really nice just for note-taking, memory keeping. So yeah, there's 4 different ones. So I made a bunch of stuff. And let me show you where I'm at. I kind of honestly want to call it a day with this 12 by 12 pad. I'm ready to move on to Halloween projects since it is the end of August. So this is what I have left. I have these scraps, and I have this bag, and it has some ephemera from the kit, or from, again, the line. Let's see. Oh, that's a different line. So this, I have this stuff that I was kind of using it, but it's actually, this is a different line altogether. So that could be for another day. Turn the page up. I have this little book and this little book. But I think from Turn the Page, that's really all I have. So yeah, I feel like I could toss this in my scrap bin for now until I'm motivated again, or make a couple more of these and then be done. But I feel like with the things I made this time around, that I pretty much killed the kit. You'll have to comment below and see what you think. Say, no, Cara, it's not done until it's done. You have more to do. Or say, yeah, move on. Let me know what your thoughts are. Oh, look, there's a tag I need to decorate. So that's where I'm at. Like I said, I'm ready to move to Halloween decorating, or Halloween stuff. Yeah, I'm ready. Maybe if I start doing Halloween projects, the temperature will cool off here in Arizona because it's hot, hot, hot. All right, if you're not, or you didn't know, in the links below, I have a Facebook group. I have been kind of quiet in my Facebook group, and I thought it'd be kind of a fun way to kind of get people chatting or whatever. But I'm thinking about sending some of the things I've made in Happy Mail. And so if you sign up for the Facebook group, you'll see a post that says, hey, if you're interested in Happy Mail, post your address. So I'm collecting some things, and then I have a few gals that have put their address, and I'm going to send some stuff out. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and find the link below and join the Facebook group. That'd be really fun. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all for today. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.